Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you some basic commands and the directory structure of the Ubuntu system. So you need to open your command prompt. So right click it and open the terminal. So this is the GUI terminal. Most of the time, all the people use this one, but we will use the different one. Like not the, I will go on the console. So you need to enter Control, Alt, and function F3 like F2, F3, F4, F5. This is the actual terminal. So log in as your username and password. Okay, so now I have logged in, so I will clear the screen. So this is the actual terminal of Ubuntu. You can go here like by pressing Control Alt and function F3, F4, whatever the number is. And if you want to switch back, then you can like press F2 for the different like GUI version and F3 for the this one. If you want to create one new terminal, then you can go press the F4. Then this one is then another one like the here you can see the TTY4. So here, okay, now the first basic command is cd means the change the directory. So you need to like press the cd, and this one is the symbol for the root. So now we are in the root directory, and the second command is pwd, which will show you where you are right now, like it's you are like you are in the root. If you change the directory to user and write the pwd, it will show you that you are in a user. If you want to go back to one directory up, then you need to write like cd and then dot dot. So now you are in the root. If you want any kind of help regarding commands, you can just write man command and the command name. It will show you the manual for the particular command. So no manual entry for cd because it's just cd means the change directory command. So let's see the command for man pwd. See, so it will show you the description, like it will print the name of the current or working directory, and here are other some like parameters like -l, p, and the version. Press Q4 to exit, and the another command is ls. It will show you all the, it will list the directories and the files which is in your working present working directory. You can see like all the description. It will like list the directory contents, and here also are some options like dash a, dash capital A, dash author, dash b, and press q. Another command is ls-l. It will show you the detail of the all files, like the permissions, like it's a directory or the file, and the permission like read, write, execute, who's the owner, which group it owns the file, and the size of the file. Okay, so and another basic command is, let's create one file like using touch command. So first you need to understand what is touch command. Touch command will change the file timestamp, or you can use this command to create any basic file like touch abc. Sorry, I'm in the root, so you need the permission to create the file in the root. Right now we are not in our home directory, right now we are in the root directory. So we need to go to our home directory by changing the like command. If you press the tab, it will show you all the different directories inside the user. And if you like want to see what's in the particular root, then you can just type the ls command. So we want to go to our home directory, so via user, like change directory, and then press the tab key, it will show you the user. And then we can go to like not on a user, we need to go in the home, so home and then student and pwd. Here you can see the we are in the home. If you want to go again on the root, then change directory to root. And there is one shortcut, like right now we are in the root, and there is one shortcut to go into directly your home directory, like cd, and then press this one, this button, I don't know what this button called, so, and press the enter. So now you are in your home. So now you can create the file touch abc, and if you want to see, then just ls dash l. So here you can see the aabc file is there. And if you want to create some file, anything like directory or file in under the root, then you need the permission of the root. So you need to write sudo and then touch and the file name dot txt, and you need to write password for the admin, like your own password, like password for the student. Okay, because right now here only one account, which is student and which is the root also. But if you want to create some files in the root directory, you need to take the permission, you need to write sudo. So if you see, then you can see the abc.txt file is here. Now let's make some directories. Mkdir, this one is used to make directories. Man mkdir, so you can see that it creates the directory. Now sudo mkdir, and I will write my name. Now you can see, now it didn't ask you to write the password, because it will ask just once you enter the password, it will run the every other command without asking you password. So ls-l. So here you can see the on the third line here the Vivek directory is created. You can change to Vivek, and right now we are in the Vivek directory. Now let's remove those files, like rm command is used to remove any basically like files, not the directories. So man rm, here you can see the remove files or directories. And if you want to delete the directory, like it has some file inside the file, or there is a directory which has some content and you want to remove that file, then you need to write the dash r command, means it will remove the directory recursively. So let's create one file under, okay, under the Vivek directory. So right now I am in the Vivek directory. We will create one another file, sudo mkdir abc. Okay, so this is the another directory. So we have created one directory Vivek under the root, and another directory named the abc. So if you try to delete one, like sudo rm Vivek, it will give you the reason, because it's the directory. Okay, you cannot remove Vivek because it's a directory. So let's try to delete the abc.txt. It will ask you want to delete this. Yes, of course. Permission denied. Why? Because we didn't write the sudo. So sudo rm abc.txt. So now it didn't ask you anything, it is like deleted. And you can check by LSL, there are no abc.tags. Now we will delete like uh, rmdir abc, sorry, sudo rmdir abc, so it is deleted. Now we will create again to just show you that that rm-r command. I will create one new directory, uh, abc, again change into the abc sudo mkdir xyz, okay, pwd. So there is one directory vivek under the root, there is abc under the vivek, and there is xyz under the abc. So if I try to delete using just mkdir, it will show you that a directory cannot be deleted because, oh, sorry, rmdir sudo rmdir vivek, directory is not empty. Okay, fail to remove the directory, it is not empty. So now we can use sudo rm -r vivek. Now it is the file is deleted -l. See, now vivek directory is deleted. So yeah, and the last command is the clear, which will create the screen. And what else? Yeah, we need to write something on direct our file by creating it. So you can always use like cat command to display the files, and nano command to open the nano editor, like nano vivek, and it will show you the, it will display you the nano editor, text editor. You can write anything here. Hello, this is just a demo. Okay, now you need to and press the control s to save the command, s to save the lines or your file, and control x to exit the file. If you want to see what is the inside that file, then you need to write like cat command, like cat and vivek, so it will show you the text inside the file. Okay, so today, yeah, and there is another command which is history, which will show you all the commands that we ran here. Okay, and you can access all the command by pressing up or down arrow. So let we revise like what kind of command we did. Like first we did the cd command to change the directory, we see the uh, touch command to create a file, mkdir to create a directory, rm to remove a file or directory, rmdir to remove directory, uh, nano command to create a file and edit the file, and cat command to read that file, and the most important one is the sudo command, like to run every command as an admin or as a root. Okay, that's it, and thank you for watching. And